Hello, everyone. I'm meteorologist Violet Skyber. Earthquakes' magnitude is measured on a scale called the Richter Scale, which was invented in 1935 by Charles Richter. But do you know how often we see each of these magnitudes and how much damage each of them can cause? Well, let's go over this scale. It's from 1 to 10. 1 is so small, it's usually not recorded and never really felt, but we get several million of them a year. Starting with 2, though. 2 is also usually not felt. We get about a million of them a year, and the energy equivalent is about 33 pounds of explosive. Now, going up the list, there's some minor shaking with magnitude of 3, often felt, but not really much damage. About 100,000 per year, and the energy equivalent is about 1,000 pounds of explosives. Category 4 is light shaking, noticeable, about 10,000 per year, and the energy equivalent is 33,000 pounds of explosives. Now going up to 5, that's when we get some moderate shaking with some property damage, about 1,500 per year, and the energy equivalent is about a million pounds of explosives. That is impressive. Going up, 6 has strong shaking with property damage likely, only about 120 per year, so looking more rare. Energy equivalent of about 33 million pounds of explosives. And it gets even greater. 7, we get major shaking with billions of dollars in damage, even some loss of life. But we only see about 18 of these per year. The energy equivalent, about 1 billion pounds of explosives. And it gets more rare the further you go up. 8 has great shaking, severe damage, and definitely loss of life. Only about 1 per year, though. The energy equivalent, 33 billions of explosives. And 9, great shaking as well, and near total destruction where this can occur, but only about 1 in every 10 years. It is incredibly rare, and the highest ever recorded was a 9.5, even though the scale goes up to 10. The energy equivalent of this is 1 trillion pounds of explosives. So you can see how deadly, depending on the scale, how deadly these earthquakes can be.